Kementeri Rangba Kejelak Ukonrat ki sangma hak arpu atri ukula lengkot arja arpusan ula IT ya ke song pisa ke basau pau Klur tingka kum ke jingse lupa ya ke bahak hajna nau Dewïong lani ke advance royalty share saka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC. Ya kini ke song pisa lapriang da Chief Executive Member ke JHADC uba Tombor Shwan ubla penpau ya ke jings ngongo ya ke sarkar jela bakal pelat lupa ya ke bahak. Kini kesong pisah ke long banyarap ya ke JHADC bukan Siew no ya ke Tulop kinong tray kepala sak teng mentala khat arbanai pada kini sengi laya sakhi lang dagi sembut menteri rangba ubak prestun tensong baruba senyau balang dahar nalor ki menteri sarkar. Kini kejing pelat pisah ke long Shibnai Shwa banwan ke Elekshon MDC syak JHADC bat JHADC kata ke arpu wai terik urempang arhaja arpusan.
On behalf of all the cabinet colleagues out here, especially our Deputy Chief Minister Mas Nyobalangdhar and our Cabinet Minister Ma Koming, as well as our local MLA Ma Waila, who have been continuously expressing their concerns about the challenges that the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council is facing in terms of finances, because of their continuous pressure and follow-up and their request that some support be given to the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. I am happy that on this day of 21st of January 2025, marking the 53rd anniversary of our statehood, I am happy that government of Meghalaya has sanctioned rupees 40 crores as an advance payment of share of royalty on the major mine minerals to the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. I am sure that these funds will help you to clear some of the backlog in terms of salaries and other expenditures.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukam shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya